Hello everybody. Today in this video we are coming to the final part of the series of this video series. As in this series from the beginning I said that we will follow the tutorial from part 1 to part 7, which we have already done. So what's next? Maybe this is the best for us. From now we will go for a real practice with a real project. For example, my next video series, I think I will go for a simple store where we can manage some inventory for inbound, outbound, sell, buy, or so. Okay, that's it. And from that we will learn more deeper what Django is. Or for the time being, you can go to advanced tutorial, how to write a reusable app. Actually, we have no app at the moment, so to write a reusable app, we will use what from tutorial 7 left off. Means we are using the poll. You can use the poll app to follow this tutorial, and I think it's easy. It's not so hard. And you do some setting, and then you will create an app that you can reuse in another project. Okay, and then when you finally come to that, maybe what to read next, then what to read next, you can go and see what you can read, because you see Django got a lot of documentation, almost 450,000 words. So go to the index and find what you need to read. If you go there, or the easiest is to go to the documentation and follow here the link of getting help and how the documentation is organized. So here's how, and then maybe you go when we are doing a real project, maybe you go first, you create a model. So then we will read the model layer from all aspects that we need, or we search and read what we exactly need. And then when you create a view, then you go to view layer and look for it from throughout, from basic to reference and uploads and so. And also the templates and forms and development process and the admin side, the security, internationalizing and localization, okay, performance and optimization, geographic framework, common web application tools. So there's plenty of tools here, and the best is to do by practice, via practice, and doing that is the best, because when you do something in a real project, you have to plan the project and then you do it. And by the way you do it, you go with Google to search for what you are needed to do, and also you go to the documentation to find out what exactly you are doing. Okay, and I think I will do a new video series. As I said, I think the name will be Django for Simple Store, a store that manage the management and the web application that manage the inbound and outbound of inventory, which you buy and then you sell, and the profit on that way, and what is left, what is available, what is needed to buy more, to stock in more on your store. I think we will go with that project in the very, very near future. Maybe within the next few days, when I have spare times, I will create a new video series. And so that's it. We complete our task, our journey, our first steps in the Django documentation, the getting started section, and the first steps, the tutorial. We'll go via overview and installation and the tutorial. And the advanced tutorial is for you to read, but don't be overwhelming at the moment, because The best practice is using what you need to use. That's why that's you will remember very good what you learned. And you can read for what you will be used in the future. But when you are not using it in the future at the moment, just read to see what it can be, what capability, availability is to use with Django. And that's it. Don't overwhelm, don't be stressed with things that you are not using at the moment, because you have no app at the moment. So that's not a good sense to create a reusable app while you have no app at the moment. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching my video series, and hope to see you soon in the next video. Thank you.